cheese industry is growing rapidly in Ireland. In 2014, we produced 215,000 tonnes of cheese, so this sector is of huge importance to Irish agriculture. In FHI, we are studying how cheese and the components found naturally in cheese can contribute to a healthy diet. The Healthy Cheeses work package in FHI is conducted in UCD, UCC and Teagasc and has two slightly different areas of interest. In one area, we are interested in looking at cheese for its bioactive properties. This means the components of cheese that can have beneficial biological effects in our body. That's because cheese is a natural source of bioactives that can occur through natural aging processes as cheeses ripen and mature. As cheeses mature, the proteins present are broken down by the naturally occurring enzymes and bacteria present. This process is known as proteolysis. The natural processes that occur through ripening can change the structures of the proteins and fat in small but important ways, releasing compounds that contribute to flavour, but can also release components that have bioactivity. For example, two very well-known tripeptides are VPP and IPP. These are present in many soft cheeses and can sometimes help to lower blood pressure. Different cheeses contain different starting materials, different enzymes and different bacteria. As a result, a range of different bioactives can be produced. And in FHI, we have researchers who look at the different components, the different health benefits that these can have, and how they change over time as cheeses age. Some areas where our cheeses have shown activity include glucose control, satiety effects, and antioxidant activity. We look at a range of cheeses in FHI, including cheddar cheeses, soft cheeses, and mould-ripened cheeses, such as blue cheese. This research could identify the best time during its lifetime to eat a cheese, not just for its flavour, but also for its potential health benefits. The second area of interest for the Healthy Cheeses work package is in the more general area of nutrition, and we have researchers who examine cheese from this nutritional perspective. These researchers have taken data from Ireland's National Adult Nutrition Survey and examined the importance of dairy foods, and cheese in particular, to nutrient intakes in Ireland. As you can see, cheese actually provides many important nutrients in our diet. From this nutritional perspective, we are also interested in the effect of cheese intake on health, and particularly on heart health. Sometimes, people with cholesterol concerns are advised to avoid cheese in their diet because cheese is a significant source of saturated fat. However, new evidence suggests that this might not be the case. Now we are starting to realise the importance of examining foods in their totality and considering the other nutrients and compounds present and how they all interact together to affect health. The most recent research from scientists across Europe, America and Australia actually shows that the saturated fat in cheese does not have the effects we once thought on LDL cholesterol levels. This appears to be due to the other compounds, such as calcium and minerals, present in cheese and how they are packaged with the fat in the cheese matrix. This matrix effect of cheese is a very exciting area of research and suggests that cheese may actually be a heart-healthy food. We have nutrition studies that are examining this in more detail, where, in one of our larger human intervention studies, we give people relatively large amounts of cheese to eat daily for 6 weeks and look at the effect on biological markers of metabolic health. Another smaller intervention study is planned to further investigate the mechanistic aspects of the dairy matrix. In this study, we will give volunteers cheese with different levels of calcium over 2 weeks and examine calcium and fat excretion. This will help us to determine how calcium in the cheese matrix is metabolized in our bodies differently than other food matrices or structures. So far in FHI, our studies have been in healthy volunteers, but we are also in the process of designing studies to examine this further in pre-diabetic patients in a clinical setting. These exciting areas of research suggest that cheeses could be a source of healthy fats. In addition to the proteins that are naturally present in cheese, to the role of cheese in our daily diets, cheese has huge potential in the future to be identified as a healthy option food.